Dear students, welcome to Khan Academy Smart Education online classes. Our chapter number 4, simple equation. We are attending exercise 4.3, question number 2. Solve the following equation. Here the equations, we will solve the equation means find the value of x, find the value of n. So, we are attending the first question. 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. Here is x plus 4. In previous question we will solve first of all plus then multiplication, but if I put value of x is 1, then 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 is a single digit, this is a single digit, here is a multiplication. So first of all we will solve this multiplication. If any digit placed in bracket, then we will solve multiply first. If this equation is like 2x plus 4 is equal to 12, then first of all we will solve plus, but here is bracket, so the digit after the bracket we will attend first. So here is 2 multiply by 2. Reciprocal of multiplication is divide, so we will divide by 2 for removing this 2. Dividing both sides by 2. Here is 2 into x plus 4, here is 12. Now we will divide by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, we can divide 6 times. So x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now transposing 4. Transposing 4 to right hand side. X is equal to 6. Now here is plus 4 and move to right hand side, this will be minus 4. X is equal to 2 is our solution. Now taking part B, the B 3 bracket and minus 5 is equal to 21. Here is bracket, after the bracket here is multiply by 3, so we will divide by 3. First of all we will solve the multiplication. Dividing both sides by 3. The equation is 3 into n minus 5, 21. Dividing by 3 and dividing by 3. 3 and 3 will be cancelled. We can divide by 7 times. Now in left hand side here is n minus 5. At right hand side here is 7. Transposing 5 to right hand side. N is equal to 7. Here is minus 5. When move here the sign will be changed, so minus convert into the plus. So this is our 7 plus 5. N is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. N is equal to 12 is our solution. Now attending part C. The C says part C is 3 into n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. 3 into bracket. First of all we will solve the 3. 3 is multiply, reciprocal of this is divide. So we will divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. The equation is 3 n minus 5 is equal to minus 21. Divide by 3 and divide by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. 3 can cut 21 by 7 times. So n minus 5 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7. Now transposing 5 to right hand side. N is equal to minus 7. Here is minus 5. goes to right hand side, the sign will be changed, minus convert into plus. So this is minus 7 plus 5 and is equal to minus 2 is our answer, and is equal to minus 2. Now attending part D. Minus 4 2 plus x is equal to 8. This is our solution equation. Here is a bracket which is multiplied by minus 4. So we will divide by minus 4. Here is a bracket which multiply by minus 4. Dividing both sides by minus 4. So equation is minus 4 2 plus x is equal to 8 divide by minus 4 divide by minus 4. Minus and minus can cut, 4 and 4 can cut. So here is 2 plus x. Now plus minus minus plus minus minus 8 upon 4 2. Transposing 2 to right hand side. Here is plus 2 goes to right hand side, this will be minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 and transposing minus 2, x is equal to minus 4 is our solution. Now taking part E, 4 2 minus x is equal to 8. First of all, here is bracket. Before the bracket, here is multiply by 4, so we will divide by 4. Dividing both sides by 4. The equation is 4 into 2 minus x is equal to 8 dividing by 4. 4 and 4 can cancel. 2 minus x. Here is 2 minus x. Here is 2. Now transposing 2 to right hand side. Transposing 2 to right hand side. Minus x, here is 2. That 2 is positive. When goes to right hand side, this will be negative. So minus 2. Minus x is equal to 0. Minus x is equal to 0. We will find the value of x. So we have to remove minus sign. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So here is minus x and here is 0. Multiply by minus 1 and multiply by minus 1. Minus x is equal to 0. We have to remove minus sign, so we will multiply by minus 1. Minus into minus plus 1 into x is x. 0 multiply by any number, the answer is 0. So solution is x is equal to 0. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now over question number 3, solve the following equation. Here are the equation. We will solve the equation, means find the value of P, M, T. We will find the value of this. Our first equation is 4 is equal to 5 P minus 2. P minus 2 having bracket with multiply by 5. So we will solve the multiply by 5. Dividing both sides by, here is multiply by 5, so we will divide by 5. The equation is 4 is equal to 5 P minus 2 divide by 5 and divide by 5. Here 5 and 5 can cancel. So 4 upon 5 is equal to p minus 2. Now here is minus 2, so we will transposing 2 to left hand side. 4 by 5 and p. 2 having minus sign, when move here the sign will be changed, so this will be plus 2. Now taking LCM is 5, 5 into 2, 10. Here is 4, 5 into 2 is 10, is equal to p. Now 4 plus 10, 14 upon 5 is equal to p. This is our solution. Now taking part B, the equation is minus 4 is equal to 5 p minus 2. This is our equation. P having bracket with multiply by 5, so we will divide by 5 to remove this. Dividing both sides by 5. The equation is minus 4 is equal to 5 p minus 2 divide by 5 and divide by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. So equation is minus 4 by 5 is equal to p minus 2. Now transposing 2 to left hand side. The equation is minus 4 by 5 p. Here is 2 with negative, this goes to left hand side, then this will be positive, the sign will be changed, negative change into positive. Now taking LCM is 5, here is minus 4, 5 into 2, 10 is equal to p. 10 minus 4, 6 upon 5 is equal to p. This is our solution. Now taking part C, 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 t plus 2. This is our equation. T plus 2 having bracket with multiplication of 3, then plus 4. This is a single digit, plus 4. So first of all we will remove here plus 4. Transposing 4 to left hand side, or we can say that here is plus 4, so we will subtract both sides by 4. Now 16 is equal to 3 t plus 2. Here is plus 4. If no sign is here, so then digit is positive, goes to left hand side, plus goes to left hand side will be negative. 16 minus 4, 12 is equal to 3 t plus 2. Now here is bracket with multiply of 3, so we will divide by 3. Dividing both sides by 3. Equation is 12 is equal to 3 t plus 2. Now dividing by 3 and dividing by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. We can divide by 4 times t plus 2. Now transposing 2. Transposing 2 to left hand side. The equation is 4 is equal to t. Here is plus 2, goes to left hand side, this will be minus, then 2 is equal to 2. T is equal to 2 is our solution. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now we are taking our next part. Next part is part D. Equation is 4 plus 5 p p minus 1 is equal to 34. P minus 1 having bracket, then multiply by 5, then plus 4. Here is multiply, here is plus. First of all we will solve plus. The plus 4 convert into minus 4. Subtracting 4 in both sides. The equation is 4 plus 5 p minus 1 is equal to 34. Subtract 4. Here is plus 4. Here is plus 4. Subtract 4. In both sides we will minus 4. We will add a digit minus 4. Plus 4 and minus 4 will be cancelled. 5 p minus 1 is equal to 30. Or in at this line we can say we will transpose 4. We will transpose 4. Then transposing, this will be 5p minus 1. 4 is positive, goes here, will be negative. Answer is 30. Now here is bracket, then multiply. The reciprocal of multiply is divide. Dividing by 5 in both sides. The equation is 5 into p minus 1 is equal to 30. Divide by 5, divide by 5. 5 and 5 will be cancelled. P minus 1. We can divide this 6 times. Now transposing. Transposing 1 to right hand side. P6. Here is minus 1 goes to right hand side. When goes to right hand side, the sign will be changed. Minus will convert into plus. This is plus 1. P is equal to 7. This is our solution. Now taking next part. Part E. The equation is 0 is equal to 16 plus 4 into m minus 6. First of all, here is m, multiply by 4, bracket multiply by 4, then plus 16, plus 16. So first of all we will solve this 16. Transposing 16 to left hand side. 0. Transposing here. Here is 16 is positive number. Move here. This will be negative. 4 m minus 6. Transposing 16. Now here is multiply by 4. So we will divide by 4. Dividing both sides by 4. Here is minus 16, here is 4 into m minus 6. Divide by 4, divide by 4. 4 and 4 can cancel. Here we can divide 4 times. This is minus, then dividing 4. M minus 6. Then transpose 6. Transposing 6 to left hand side. In left hand side there are minus 4. Here is 6 with negative. Move here, this will be positive. The sign will be changed. Minus will convert into plus. Then m minus 4, then plus 6 m. 6 minus 4, 2 is equal to m. M is equal to 2 is a solution. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 4, part first. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to 2. This is another type of question. In question number 1, 2, 3, we will find the value of x. We have to find the value of x in question number 5, 2nd, 3rd. But here is a solution x is equal to 2. Now we will find any three equation. We will make infinite equation from this solution. X is equal to 2 solution having infinite equation. We have to show only three equations. The first equation, x is equal to 2. This is our solution. Now I am making a equation. In previous equations we will transposing then dividing, we will transposing then dividing. Here we will subtract 4, add 4, multiply by 2, divide by 2. These like these operation we have to done. First of all, add 4 in both sides. X is equal to 2. This is our solution. Now add 4 plus 4 plus 4. The x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now multiply both sides by 2. The equation is x plus 4 is equal to 6. Now we will multiply by 2. 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. Now subtracting 1 in both sides. 2x plus 4 is equal to 12. This is our equation. Now we will subtract 1. 2x plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 11. This is our first equation. In this equation the x is equal to 2. First of all we will add 4, otherwise you will add 10, 5, 6, any digit. We will add 4. So x plus 4 and 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now we will multiply by 2. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. Here is 12. Now we will subtract 1. So here is minus 1, here is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. 12 minus 1 is 11. This is our first equation. Now attending the second one, x is equal to 2. Dividing both sides by 2. X is equal to 2. Now dividing by 2. Then x upon 2 is equal to 1. Now add 5 in both sides. X by 2 is equal to 1. Now we will add 5. Here is addition of 5. So x plus 2 plus x upon 2 plus 5 is equal to 6. Multiply both sides by 3. So 3 will multiply by x upon 2 plus 5, and 6 into 3 is 18. This is our another equation. X is equal to 2. Now we will divide by 2. Then x by 2 and 2 by 2. 2 by 2 is 1. Now we will add 5 plus 5 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now multiply by 3. Here we will make a bracket. Then multiply by 3. 6 into 3 is 18. We will make third equation. X is equal to 2. In first operation we will add, divide, then I will subtract. Subtracting 2 in both sides. here is x is equal to 2. Now subtracting 2 in both sides, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by 3. So here is x minus 2 is equal to 0, multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. The equation is 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now add 1 in both sides. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is our equation. Now we will add 1, plus 1 and plus 1. 3x minus 2 plus 1 is 1. This is our third equation. X is equal to 2. Now subtracting 2, minus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now multiply by 3. Here we will make a bracket, then multiply by 3. 0 into 3, 0 into 3 is 0. Now we will add 1, plus 1 and plus 1. This is our third equation. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next part. Now our next part is part B. Construct 3 equations starting with x is equal to minus 2. The starting is x is equal to minus 2. First operation, add 2 in both sides. X is equal to minus 2. We will add 2. So x plus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. In next step, we will divide. Dividing both sides by 5. Now x plus 2 will divide by 5, 0 will divide by 5. In next step, we will subtract. Subtracting the equation by 1. The equation is x plus 2, this divide by 5, 0 upon 5, 0 upon 5 is 0. If 0 multiply by any number, the answer is 0. 0 upon any number, the answer is 0. Subtracting equation by 1. In both sides, we will take minus 1. Then x plus 2 upon 5 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. This is our equation. Now I am making the second equation. X is equal to minus 2. First operation, we will take multiply, and target is how to remove the minus sign. We will multiply by a minus, then minus sign will be removed. Multiply both sides by minus 1. So minus 1 multiply by x, minus 2 multiply by minus 1. X is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 2 multiply by minus 1. Minus into plus, minus 1 into x, x. Here is minus into minus, plus 2 into 1 is 2. So minus x is equal to 2. Add 5 in both sides. Minus x is equal to 2. We will add 5. Here is both are plus 5 and plus 5. So 5 minus x is equal to 7. Multiply both sides by 3. So 3 into x minus 5, 5 minus x, 3 into 7. The equation is 5 minus x and 7. multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now dividing both sides by 7. 3, 5 minus x is equal to 21. Now dividing by 7 and dividing by 7, this can cut 3 times. So the equation is 3 upon 7, 5 minus x, answer is 3. This is our next equation. Now I am making the third equation of this. X is equal to minus 2. Add, multiply. Now I am dividing, or I can subtract. Subtracting 1, subtracting 4 in both sides. X is equal to minus 2. Now subtract 4. Then x minus 4 is minus 6. Next operation we will take and multiply both sides by 3. The equation is x minus 4 is equal to minus 6. Now we will multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. 3 x minus 4 minus into plus, minus 6 into 3, 18. Now dividing the equation by 2. The equation is 3x minus 4 is equal to minus 18. Now we will divide by 2. Then the equation is 3 by 2 x minus 4 is equal to minus 9. This is our equation. You can take a screenshot of this. The next exercise will be taken in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.